Good morning, welcome back to my garden. Okay, like I said in the previous video, I'm going to tackle this garden, but I'm going to be a little bit more aggressive. As you can see, these weeds took completely over. I didn't really keep my hand on it, but I didn't need to because I already harvested the sweetcorn. What I'm going to do in this garden though is to whack all the weeds down and basically cut my sweetcorn off right at the rootstock. I'm going to keep the roots in ground, and I'm going to use the sweetcorn stems and leaves as mulch, and I'm going to mulch on top of that and just get this bed ready for next season. First step again is to remove the irrigation. And there we go, the irrigation line is out. And that's half the battle already won. Now as you can see, there is some grass in here, as well as there's a lot of seeds from the weeds that I knocked down, that it's just going back into, that just went back into the garden bed. You know, that might be problematic in the new season with all the new weeds coming up. But again, I am going to mulch quite thickly, and the mulch would suppress weeds coming up. But also I've got a plan B, or an additional plan, where I'm going to cover this with a tarp. The seeds will germinate, but because of the lack of sunlight, it will die back again. And hopefully I can keep my weeds under control in that way. So my first layer of mulch, which will also be like green manure compost is the weeds that I knock down. That will decompose and feed my garden bed. Second layer of mulch is I'm going to put all these sweetcorn stalks back into the bed. You can cut it into smaller pieces like this here, or that, and distribute it all over. What I'm going to do is to just put it in whole as it is. It will probably take a longer time to break down, but it will also feed my garden for a longer time. Then I'm going to mulch it with leaf mulch, the autumn leaves, and then I'm also going to cover it with a layer of wood shavings and then a top. There we go. So yeah, I've got my multiple layers of mulch into this bed, and it will break down and feed my garden, feed the microorganisms, and just regenerate my soil. So thank you, Lucian and Michaela, for helping me. Thank you for spending time with me, or well, with us today. I hope you find value in this video. Any suggestions, you are welcome to write them down in the comment section. Thank you, God bless you, and see you in the next one. Bye.
Bye. Dad, kyk hierdie aan vir dit wys meer dat hy ook geraak.